What's going on, guys? Today we will be playing Minecraft, and for my first episode, Tornado Survival Mode, we have the predominantly weapon mode on. That's the one I'm going to be using. And I figured I haven't uploaded a YouTube video in a while, so I might as well make it a good one. I must edit this by myself. Yeah. Don't ask me about my skin. I, to be honest, don't know why this is my skin. Wait. Fuck, I accidentally. I don't play Minecraft, okay? Not my cup of tea, okay? I normally don't like Minecraft, actually. So crafting table being like a wooden axe. So for the first episode, I think we're gonna I have my stuff on default settings, I think. I haven't changed anything, tornado chance changed or anything. I have it in default settings, how the protomental weather mode comes. So if we get a wedge tornado first episode, that's just chance. The goal for this series is to beat the game for the first ever time. By myself, I've never actually beat Minecraft. Because I don't enjoy Minecraft, but with the weather mode, the weather fanatic. As you died first fucking go. Keep inventory is on. That's the only change I made to the world, because I don't play Minecraft. Yeah, if I didn't have keep inventory on, I think I would lose my mind. So keep inventory is gonna be on for the whole series. Yeah, I'll probably hopefully make this a bit long of an episode. My goal for the series is just have fun at the end of the day. I'm not a Minecraft person, my base look terrible, so I'm planning to, for the first episode, get a base done. And this will be my first time editing a full YouTube video for the first time using Premiere Pro. So we already got some rain showers. Let's have a tornado first episode. Looks like just a light rain shower. I don't play Minecraft. I have the phobia of thunder. I don't like the sound of it IRL. I'm a weather fanatic though. I have my TikTok, if you don't know about it, it's aiden.aep. I make tornado edits and tornado content and edit other things too. I'm watching this storm carefully because we could get a tornado first episode, but first episode would be insane. For now, I have not updated my mod. I might do that next episode, so squalls aren't in this update. This is the older version of the mod, and no robust, it's just a rain shower. Holy fucking Jesus, that scared me. Whoa, that lightning came out of nowhere. Might be getting severe now. I have the EAS add-on for this mod, so once we make an EAS transmitter and a radar, we'll be able to see tornado warnings and stuff. Let's get a good high view. Oh yeah, there's rotation right here. We'll make a tornado first episode. Yeah, this will be my first time doing a series like this. I think fucking zoom. Yeah, that's a big robust updraft. Yeah, we got a supercell on going first episode. And once I'm done recording, I'm probably gonna put a sneak peek on my TikTok. There might be a funnel cloud in there. I'll put a sneak peek. If we need to get underground, because this is heading right for us, I believe. Tornado first episode. I don't see a funnel cloud. This is moving away from us, actually. Really curious what risk it is today. Because having it having a risk, having a very bust supercell, like it died after rotation, so it must not be a high risk. I need to change the drop key. My first goal is find a village. This is just the weather mod on the add-on. I have no other mods in here. Might slowly add some, but for right now it's only predominantly weather mode, the EAS add-on. That's it. I'll update the mod eventually. Probably once I'm done recording. Because I haven't touched this. I just decided, watching World Chasing's Tornadoes of Bible series, very underrated YouTube channel, by the way. I decided to do my own, and maybe this is gonna be famous. Who knows? But time will tell. I don't play Minecraft, as I said. Not my type of game. Maybe we'll see, and I'll just do multiple seasons of this. And yes, if you're watching this, when you're watching this, I am not dead. Just decided to stop uploading on YouTube for a whole 2 years. So focus on TikTok more. Yeah, I haven't got a tornado yet, which I'm feeling is probably good. I need to go to farm stone so I can build this base. I'm gonna go do that. Something doesn't feel right. Oh yeah, I forgot I don't have a text pack, so I had to pull. I have to make more torches. Get a farming stone montage starts now. Now, yeah, get the thumbnail. in Photoshop. I'm gonna start taking YouTube really seriously. And I think I'm talking about YouTube. Should I post more? I'm trying to start making money. I'm not old enough to make money on YouTube yet, but I'm almost there. For 3 years. Should I start making more videos? If you want more videos, I'll gladly make more. I have a YouTube video, a SCPSL video edited. I just thought it was shit and didn't post it. This mod is so beautiful, man. I think aiming on top of that hill would kind of be sick. I'm gonna go build my house on top of this hill. My base looks terrible. I don't play Minecraft. And I don't know how to build a base. Good looking. I'll build a simple base for now. Next episode I'll probably come up with something better looking, but house base is probably just gonna be a simple square base, nothing special. Just somewhere I can live in that has a basement. Not meant to look good. And then I'll move eventually. Yeah, this is 6 spot. Get the view of storms approaching. I need to make an iron shovel. Oh wait, I can make an iron pick. I'm better off doing that. I thought I only had fucking make an iron shovel. We got full iron already. You don't understand that alpaca gave me a scare in my life. Well, not full iron. I think yeah, the ring shot forming. I think we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me really count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here. I'll take the time first. I'll take this coal first, not iron. Gimme! Gonna make a whole floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Small starter base. Oh, that's getting pretty big. I'll give it elite. I'm gonna make a basement now before a tornado hits. You know. Put my thing down. Oh, that's getting mad. Oh. That's rotating right above us. Oh, man, I'm just trying to build a house. Okay, I'm gonna build the... Don't spawn a tornado right on top of me, please. That's not my crafting table. Hurry up! I'm panicking. It's gonna spawn a fucking tornado on me, I know it. I know it. Well, it's missing us. Sorry I didn't get to talk about this earlier. Reasons, I had to mute myself real quick. But that's not gonna be in the video. We have a tornado on the ground. First tornado of the series. There it is. First tornado of the series. Damn. What a beauty. Only 30 minutes. You can see how long I've been recording. Yeah, I'll leave. It's fun. I'm gonna download Adobe after, so you won't be able to see that. Next episode. Oh, it looks violent. It's just starter base, so I'm fine with it looking shit. I might make it one lower. 1, 2, 3. So I might make it. I might make it one lower. 1, 2. Wow! Gotta look at what damage it's left behind. Got a new storm forming here. Tornado is over there. Can you jump? We might be hitting our head. I'll do one more. We might get a new tornado. This might be in high risk. There's another storm. Of course. Oh, this is going to directly hit us as this spawns a tornado. Get ready to go in the basement. This is starter house. I need to make... Oh, what I've learned is deep slate is really good in this mod. Because it's a strong material. Tornadoes need to be EF3 or stronger to destroy it. And I think it's EF4 damage. So, it's a lot stronger. No, that will irritate me if that stays like that. Yeah, we might have a high risk. First episode, high risk. Well, we will never truly know. It's just an ugly starter base. That tornado has worked out. We'll get a couple new mods next episode, but it's pretty much vanilla. I think I want to make it one more lower. I don't know why it's so ugly. One lower makes sense. Yeah, let's go to bed. This is a pretty good start for one of my worlds, to be fair. Where did... Oh, I had 2 stacks. Yeah, I was about to say, where did all my cobblestone go? But one thing I don't like is storms day after you sleep. So it really makes you feel like it isn't. I understand it's a limitation, but come on, it would be super storms disappeared and you fall asleep. I mean, it's still a crazy mod, and I enjoy it. Oh, I lagged a bit there. That could mean there's a large tornado going somewhere in the world. Yeah, I think that looks... I think we're gonna go farming some more. But one thing I'm scared of is you're out farming and a tornado hits your base. You can't do anything about it, you know? There's iron up here. I'm actually gonna get this iron. It's up here. I did see it. Don't yell at me in the comments saying, I used this iron, I used this iron. No, I didn't. I saw it. I just didn't pick it up for some reason. I don't know what I was doing. I was gonna play on peaceful, but need to get fucking vein miner, man. Like, it's an essential mod at this point. Yeah, weird ass cave generation. Oh. Yeah, it's night. I think it's turning night. Ah, missed a piece of iron. First couple... First tornado of the series? Wow, big robust supercell. I need to go... I wanted to go check on the damage, but I need to go back now. I need to go get some more wood to make slabs to make the roof. Wait, I have a furnace and coal. I'm gonna smelt the iron to make an iron axe. Can I? I guess. Also, probably need a make for shield. Just have enough to make an axe. Stick. I don't mind. Did I pick up my furnace? I'm gonna go put that in the basement. Oh, that's a thundercloud! Tornado on the ground! You just see it in the rain wrapping. Well, behind this storm at least. There might be another storm behind it. I'm gonna put a torch. Down here so mobs don't spawn. I'm just gonna take down. I think that was the tornado. Got a lot more add-ons. You're just spawning a tornado right around. Nice. I think this might be high risk. Okay. Holy shit. Oh yeah? That's a funnel cloud. I think that was a funnel cloud. Oh, this rotation is coming right to it. Actually, this might not be a high race. We might have just got a low-end tornado. A low-end risk tornado. Which is kind of insane. Basement on base full obsidian, so it can't get destroyed. And make I gotta have to dig out this wood, don't I? It looks ugly. Grass can't get ripped out, from what I know. Tornadoes can't rip out grass in this mod. So, if I just make my whole base out of grass, theoretically, tornadoes wouldn't be able to destroy my base. Now, I don't know that is true. So, but what I've seen, I've never seen dirt get picked up with in a tornado in this mode. I'm gonna go make some cobblestone stairs. I need a couple. I'm gonna make stairs all the way down. Really, man? Oh my god. Worse damage than the fucking tornadoes can do, man. Another. Nah, I'm going to bed. I'm officially joking. I've. Now creepers are gonna be the biggest problem. Jeez, it's constant. It's snowing. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, I think I'm gonna end this episode here. Definitely gonna be doing more. I'm gonna find more mods to add. Some essentials, some cool add-ons. So yeah, thank you for watching.